Hello everyone, how are you? I am Mahabub. Welcome to my channel Smartly Support. Today in this video I recap my April month t-shirt sale on Mass by Amazon platform. I also talk about V-neck t-shirt, premium t-shirt, how I sold on this platform. So let's start. This is my Mass by Amazon dashboard. I already 477 t-shirt uploaded of 500 design. Today I have 4 design uploaded, and today I sold 11 t-shirt. Then 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 different t-shirt, and total 11 t-shirt today I sold. Previous week I sold Friday 5 t-shirts, Saturday 3, Sunday 5, Monday 7, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 6, Thursday 4, and today Friday 11 t-shirt. Yesterday I sold 4 t-shirt and my royalty is 7.32, and last 7 days I sold 49 t-shirt and royalty is 92.15. And this month I already sold 62 design, and today date of 10 my royalty is already 109.52 cent, and previous month I sold $128.16. My all-time design sold 458, and 500 t-shirt I will sold, inshallah. This is my view chart, and my all-time 458 t-shirt sold. My return t-shirt 11. My royalty is $845.30. My royalty is per t-shirt $1.89. Revenue share 12% me and 88% Amazon. I start on this platform September month. In this month I sold 20 t-shirt. Then October month I sold 12 t-shirt. November month 35. December 170. This is my big month on this platform because I sold 117 t-shirt. Then January month I sold 66 t-shirt. February not bad 27. March 49. April month I sold 70 t-shirt. May month I sold 62 t-shirt already. Today date of 10. This is old t-shirt. Well, it is 3.72. This is old. I sold this new design, and today I t-shirt 2 t-shirt V-neck t-shirt in my I sold first time V-neck t-shirt, and premium I sold premium t-shirt 1 today. So that's about, and this is April month. So I total April month sold 70 t-shirt and my income $128.16. So thank you so much. The any advice, please comment me, and please I request you uh, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.